Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. Python is a versatile and powerful programming language, but sometimes code can run slower than expected. In this tutorial, we'll explore various strategies to identify and address performance bottlenecks in Python code. We'll cover profiling, optimization techniques, and common pitfalls that can slow down your code. Profiling is the process of measuring the performance of your code to identify areas that need improvement. Python provides built-in modules for profiling, such as cProfile and timeit. Let's start with an example. Run this script, and you'll get a detailed report of the function's execution time and the time spent in each function call. Look for functions that consume a significant amount of time. Utilize NumPy and vectorized operations for numerical computations. This can significantly improve performance. Use set operations for membership tests and uniqueness checks, as they are often faster than lists. Sometimes, slow code is caused by excessive memory usage. The memory_profiler module can help identify memory-intensive functions. Install the memory_profiler package using pip install memory profiler and run the script using python memory_profiler script.py. Choose appropriate data structures. For example, using a list when a set is more suitable can lead to slower code. Minimize unnecessary function calls, especially in loops, to avoid unnecessary overhead. Limit the use of global variables as they can slow down function calls. By following these steps, you can identify and address performance issues in your Python code. Remember to profile, optimize, and be mindful of common pitfalls. Regularly monitoring and optimizing your code will ensure it runs efficiently. ChatGPT.